Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for gold, US30 and US100. In this analysis, with the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we'll try to find out which direction, what targets, what stop loss, which position we need to take on these instruments and how these instruments are going to behave and what expectation we can have from these instruments throughout this US session. So stay with me. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned till the last. I am going to give you the trading levels at the end of every analysis. So do watch till the end. Let's start with gold first. This is the 4-hour charts for gold, and on the 4-hour charts you can find that gold is stabilizing at higher lows. Now first it has achieved 1880, then around here this zone, and specifically 1890 zone. This time it has got the supported 1895 zone and also higher highs here. So it is trying to achieve higher highs. Now look at this 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart it was trading in this channel, it has got its support. Now this is trying to give you a breakout, and yes, one can remain long on gold with the stop loss at 1904.5 levels. With the stop loss at 1904.5, you can expect it to rise. How far this could rise? See the previous movement for 1895 to 1905, and this time it can be from, sorry, this is 1907, and this time it can be from 1905 to 1920 levels can be expected, at least. If not, 1915 definitely has to be there. So one can take positions accordingly, but at the same time one has to be cautious that if it breaks below this zone at 1904.5, it can again come back towards this zone at 1895. Now this is on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the other time frame charts also. On the 3-hour charts the story is same, and here it is trying to replicate this. This is again a breakout candle after this drop, and we have seen a good drop till 1895. Now it is trying to rise, and one can remain long with the support at 1904.5. Below that it can drop. Remember, below that it can drop. Till the time it remains above this, possibly we may see it replicating this move, and it can again go back till towards 1920 and 1925 and 1933 levels. A good long is above, anyways, above 1921 levels, where it is above 1921. It is a short long position where you can definitely enter and take a long position. Definitely it will try to hit 1925, 1927, 1933 levels. On the 2-hour charts also, see the story is almost same here. Taking its base, retracement, drop, higher lows, support, higher highs, drop, then retracement. Now from here, the next candle I will be watchful of. If it breaks 1921 specifically, definitely it is going to hit 1930, 1933 levels. Else, because this is a retracement, if it is in a bearish mode, I will consider this as retracement, and the next candle will try to take it again on the downside. So yes, one can remain short. Once it goes below 1904.5, one can again take a sell entry where you can expect it to head towards 1900 and 1895 levels. But also look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts you can find that in this candle it has achieved higher highs before trying to drop. Now this level at 1904.5 is important. Breaking this, yes, you can go short. Next support level at 1899 or 1900, 1899, you can say almost 5 points, and every 5 points it has got a support. And from here, as this was a breakout move, I expect it to continue rising. I expect it to head higher, but let's see if it breaks 1915 or not. So let's also have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, the candle is turning out to be green. It has formed a good tail out here around, you can see, almost 15 points here. From here you can expect it to rise, but here is the problem. I think lower highs and lower lows is what it might try to remain in, and that is why I say 1920 to 1895. This is the zone in which it might trade throughout the day, possibly. So yes, you can expect a breakout for 1925 also, but beyond that, let's see if it tries to move there. So yes, now let's have a look at the indicators here. On the indicators, you'll find on the daily charts, here is the 20 period moving average, the green line at 1875 levels, and here is a support at 1900 and then 1890 level. I think this should provide a very strong support before it tries to come back till towards 1880 or not, or below levels. But yes, I think 1890 very strong support. This might be the support for the day, which it might not break. On the upside, 1920 and 1925 levels, these two levels are going to be a very strong resistance for gold on the upside. Now let's have a look at the indicators on the daily chart. See, gold is still trading at the bottom. It is bound to reverse. It can reverse if possible today. Then if it breaks 1921 zone, definitely that is a level beyond which one can remain long. And MACD lines are nearby, closely running almost parallel here, neither indicating bullish nor bearish, but still in buy zone. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, this is the 20 period moving average here, and this is the pivot at around 1915. So I'll be looking forward to 1915. Then it may try to hit 1928, and then beyond that definitely it will fly on the upside, and sky is the limit towards 1940, 1950 can be achieved. On the downside, the DPO is trying to enter into green. The stochastic is running almost at a comfortable levels, neither bullish nor bearish. There is a possible crossover may happen on MACD, and it may again enter into bullish or buy zone. So to sum it up, now let me give you the trading levels for the day. Now right now I have only one level beyond which one can remain long and below which you can remain short. Rather, let me say it like below 1904.5, anytime you can go short. Once it is below 1904.5, the target is 1900, or rather I will say 1899.5. Below 1899.5 it will try to hit 1894.5, and below this it will try to, so almost every 5 points it has got its support 1889.5. But till the time it remains above 1904.5, it may try to hit again on the upside towards 1915. This is the target. If it breaks 1915, definitely next target is towards 1918 and 1921. Beyond 1921, definitely it will fly. This is the level at beyond which it will definitely fly. The next target 1925, 1920, 1927 and 1933. Any move beyond 1933, sky is the limit. It can rise to any levels. On the downside, any move below 1889.5, it will try to hit 1880. This is the strong support. Then 1875. Till here it has got its stronger support, and I don't think so that it is going to breach. I will expect it to at max trade it in between this zone, that is 1920 to 1894.5. This is the trading level for the day, or range for the day, in which it might try to trade in. This is all for gold from my side. Now let's have a look at US30. This is the 4-hour charts for gold, and on a 4-hour chart for gold you can see this is the 4-hour chart for US30, and on a 4-hour chart you can see US30 has got a support at now at 33,600. With the support at 33,600, you can also see 33,450 to 33,650, almost 200 points, and now from 33,600 to 33,800. So here it is trying to complete this candle. It has already seen 33,800, which is going to be a stronger resistance for now, and 33,600 is going to be a good support. Breaking below 33,600, it may again try to come back till towards, see, with the pivot at 33,600, 33,200, and then it may try to hit back again till towards 33,450 levels. So this is very much possible that it can try to swing in between these levels, but only short entry is below 33,600, where it can try to drop towards 33,500, 33,450 levels. And on the upside, 33,800 levels definitely are going to be a stronger resistance level. Remember, on the 4-hour charts, it has to fill this gap some point of time today, tomorrow, and any point of time in near future. It may try to fill this gap between 34,000, or rather you can say 33,800 to 34,000. Partially it is filled, and now almost 200 points left for it to fill, or rather 100 points left for it to fill. It can do this any point of time. If not today, then possibly tomorrow. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, this candle has just begun. It is still in green. I'll wait for the next candle. The next candle is definitely going to be a sharper bullish candle. See, if it tries to end in this fashion itself, that is in between 33,800 to 33,600. If it remains between these levels, and also even if it drops and it fails to go past by 33,520 levels, so if it fails to go past by 33,520, it can rise. So any long entry you can take till the time today it remains above 33,520, one can remain long and one can expect it to rise. See, I will expect the next candle to be a sharp bullish candle on the 3-hour charts. It means after 30 minutes of the market, once the market, US market opens, the next candle will start after 30 minutes from it in my charts, and possibly from there we may see a stronger drop or stronger rise. So take your positions accordingly. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, this candle has already, here is a support at 33,600. If it breaks below, see here 33,520 should provide a support. If it breaks, then definitely it will try to hit 33,450 levels or below, else it may continue to rise till the time it remains. Remember, till the time it remains above 33,520, one can remain long on US30. In fact, 33,450, achieving 33,450, it can again bounce back from those levels. So yes, I am expecting it to bounce back, but let's see whether what the indicators are saying. On the hourly charts, you can see higher lows, and see it has also formed a base here. Now the base is at around 33,500 520 zone, and now on the hourly charts it has formed a base at around 33,600. So breaking 33,600, you can expect it to come back till towards 33,520 and then towards 33,400 levels, else it can continue to rise and we can expect it to hit 34,000 levels also. 33,800 definitely a good resistance. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, the candle is green. Also look at this, the pivot is at around 33 600 levels, rather I will say 33,550, I will say 33,600 itself is the pivot. So almost 33,400 is covered. On the upside, 33,800 is covered. It may try to either trade in between these levels, that is 33,400 to 33,800. One aspect. Second aspect, it can rise till towards 34,000, but yes, a rise is must. Already it has seen 33,800. Let's see what does the indicators are indicating now. Look at the indicators here. Support at 33,400, resistance at 33,850 900 zone. Stochastic is almost at near to overbought levels. MACD lines trying to cross over. RSI is near to bottom, but yes, in a comfortable level, not showing any stress of overbought or oversold reason. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, this is the 50 period moving average is 33,800, definitely giving it a resistance, and the pivot at around 33,850 and 34,000. These two levels are going to be very strong resistance for US30 for any upside move, and that is what we expect. First resistance here at around 33,700, next resistance 33,840, then 33,900 will come into picture. On the downside, now the support is at around 33,600 levels. Breaking 33,600, you can expect it to head towards first target 33,550, second 33,520, and then 33,400 will come into picture. Stochastic almost looking at downwards but curving upwards and crossing over on the buy zone. MACD is divergent and are still in buy zone, and RSI is comfortable. Also, let's have a look at the hourly time frames, because that is the nearest time frame where you can expect it to give a move. Looking downwards, indicating possible bearishness for another couple of hours or so before it tries to take a decisive move. And also on the hourly charts, you can see 33,700 and 33,680 levels providing it a little resistance. So let me sum up with these and let me give you the trading levels for the day. So let's talk about the targets for the day. You can buy US30, or one can remain long on US30 till the time it remains above 33,600, above which it is going to hit 33,710. First target 750, 800 and 840. Now 840 is going to be a good resistance. Beyond that, I will expect it to hit 33,950 and 34,000 levels. This is going to be a good resistance level for US30 for today. 34,000, this is going to be a good resistance, and it can try to hit this zone. Remember, it can try to hit 34,000 again before trying to take a drop. So for the day, it appears I am going to be remaining bull. I can say it is going to be a swing day with a bullish bias, where you can expect it to swing considerably. You can drop 200 points a time, and again it's gonna rise, and it may always try to achieve higher highs before trying to take a drop. So possibly yes, it is going to be gonna be a swing day with a bullish bias. Now let's see where you have to sell. Now below 33,600 you can go short, and here you can expect 33,550 the next target, and 33,520. These two levels are going to be stronger support for US30 for the day. Till the time it remains above 33,520, you can again expect it to bounce back. On the downside, 33,500 will come into picture. This is also a stronger support, and 33,450. Also, as you saw, considering the pivot levels, possibly this can also be hit before it tries to rise. Below that, I will be bearish and I will be expecting it to drop 33,400. Next target 33,300, and below that it can try to drop severely or heavily towards 33,150 and 33k levels. So take your positions accordingly. However, my expectation from US30 is to act with bullish bias, and probably every drop can be, you can expect it to rise. But these are markets, trade with levels. Only trade with levels. Go short only at these levels. Every level you can close your trade, and you can, if it rises back again, if you are short, if it rises back again, you can again go short, keeping the stop loss exactly at 33,600, beyond which you can again enter a long position and you can expect it to rise. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US100. Now this is the chart for US100, and on hourly charts you can see how beautifully it is trying to give you higher lows. And yes, now the support is at around 13,990 levels. Once it breaks below 13,990, this time you can go short, and it is going to get immediate support at 13,960, and then below that it is going to break heavily. Also look at this, it is trying to give you higher highs. So higher lows, higher highs, it is trying to consolidate with a bullish bias, and then it is going to give you a breakout. The next target is 14,100 level, and beyond 14,100 it will again try to hit 14,180. So these two levels it may try to hit again, once, if till the time it remains above 14,000 or 13,990, definitely it can rise, and the next target 14,100 it may definitely achieve today. Now this is on the hourly charts. On the 2 hour charts, story is same. Look at this, it is giving a breakout. This is a breakout candle, but it is again falling back in this triangle. So now if you ask me a question where to go long, you can possibly take a long entry now with a support at 13,990. Once it breaks 13,990, you can exit your position, and it is again going to drop. You can remember 13,990, below this it is again going to drop, so you can take your positions accordingly. The next target is 14,100, and beyond 14,100 you can expect it to hit 14,180 also. Now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, story is almost same, but see the bulls are losing the control here, and you can also see the body size. The body size is diminishing here in these three candles, and this is also going to give you further smaller candle. But once it breaks here at 13,990, definitely it may come back till towards 13,960 levels, which is going to be stronger support. Below that it is going to break, or below that it is going to drop heavily on the downside towards 13,900, 13,860 levels till here. So this is what we can see on the 3 hour charts. On the 4 hour charts, as I said, 13,990, below which yes you can, so below which yes you can go short. Also remember, see, I always say whenever you see such pattern, three candles aligned in a row and higher highs or lower lows are being formed. So this is a learning for you. Probably we may see again a red candle which may try to take it towards this zone at 13,860, and in fact it can break on the downside, because see the highs are well connected and it is failing to go past this. And if it breaks this zone at 14,100, definitely it is going to rise higher, and it is going to give you same size of candle, almost 220 points, and from here you can almost get 200 points. That will take it to around 14,200. So yes, but exit your longs if it breaks below 13,990. Definitely it is going to break strongly on the downside. Now on the daily charts, it is kind of indicating a reversal, and higher lows, higher highs both achieved, and yes it may try to trade in between these levels only. 13800 to 14100. This is one possibility, and if it breaks 14100, definitely it will try to hit 14200 levels. Trading beyond this channel, probably it is looking on the rise here. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. Indicators on the daily charts, you will find that see 20 period moving average on the daily charts coming here at 14250 levels, and beyond that only I will expect it to act bullish. That once it crosses 14250, it is an indication that it is trading about 20 period moving average, that is the last 20 days average. So last 20 day average is 14240, and once it goes above this, indicates that markets are now turning to be a little bit bullish. Else it can drop again anytime. And look at the stochastic here on the daily charts, it's overbought, but there is a gap in between this, so probably it may try to trade sideways in a narrow range and probably drop tomorrow or day after tomorrow. That is what we can expect. And yes, it is overbought here, it can sustain these levels, and RSI and MACD have just crossed over and still running in a buy zone, are divergent, indicating little bullishness here. Similarly, on the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour charts, here you can find that 50 period moving average and the exponential and simple coming here together at 13900 zone. So 13850 to 9, you can say 13900 to 950 zone. It is very important for US 100. If it breaks 13900, definitely it will break strongly towards 13820 levels, and below that you can see a stronger break. 4-hour charts, stochastic comfortable, MACD on buy side. And let's have a look at the nearest chart, that is 1 hour. On a 1 hour chart, looking upwards, looking towards 14100, and MACD lines are stochastic is trading at top, looking downwards, but the slope is not much and indicating probable yes, it can trade sideways a little before trying to take a bullish move. MACD has just crossed over in an early chart. So summing it up, now let me give you the trading levels for the day. So couple of observations here. One point is, till the time it remains above 14,000 levels, one can remain long. One can remain long till the time it trades above 14,000 levels. The next target is 14,100. Now remember, here it has got its high around 14,080 and 14,100 levels. So it can reverse anytime from these levels. Even if it achieves these levels, it can drop again. Now beyond 14,100, you can expect 14,180 and 14,220 levels. So these levels can be achieved. 1400 at least can be achieved, and beyond that definitely it is going to act extremely bullish. It is going to hit 14200 levels also. Somewhere in between it will definitely achieve. Beyond that, sky is the limit. 14300 will get achieved here, and beyond that I'm not going to talk. Sky is the limit, it can go anywhere. So now let's focus upon on the downside. Yes, you can take a short entry at 13980. Here you can take a short entry, but the nearest support for it is at around 13955 levels. Breaking this 13955, it is going to hit 13900 and 13880. There are a couple of supports available, 13880 and then 13820. These two levels are going to be very important. If it continues to drop, I don't expect it to drop that far, but yes, we have seen a formation there on the 4-hour charts where the three candles are aligned on the top and higher highs have been formed, which indicates mostly that it is going to give a symmetric candle, and we may see symmetrical bearish candle. That is what we can expect, and that is why we expect that possibly 13900 can be seen, 14100 can be achieved, but it may try to trade in between this. I don't expect much of move. It can trade sideways today before it tries to take a decisive. Now you recall in my weekly analysis I did say 13900 levels definitely will get achieved on the first trading day of the week, and we have achieved it. That is what is the accuracy, that is what the charts display or charts speak to you, and I have very clearly said. And in fact I got a comment also that okay, so first trading day you expect 14200 to 13900 800 zone. Yes, I said yes, and that is what we did. So I hope you all profited. Now I think it may trade a little bit sideways between 13800 to 14100 14200 levels, and probably drop can be nullified with the rise, and you can expect a swing day. So this is all from my side, and below this 13820 definitely sky is the limit. It can go downside anywhere. So if you like and appreciate my effort, press the bell icon, and also you can join my Telegram channel. My links are mentioned in the description here. You can reach out to me via email for any of your trading or training related queries. My next batch is starting soon. Be the part of this mentorship batch definitely to help you become an efficient and proficient trader, and it will help you in your day-to-day trading insights. The strategies taught are definitely meaningful to you. So reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.